Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two cold outreach tools, which is Smartlead and Manyreach. Just get started with a quick overview. Smartlead is a powerful cold email outreach and lead generation platform designed for businesses that want to scale massive while staying safe from spam filter. Also known for its AI personalization, unlimited sender account, and advanced deliverability features, it's ideal for agencies and large-scale teams. On the other side, Manyreach, on the other hand, is a minimalistic and a design-friendly cold outreach tools, best suited for freelancers, solopreneurs, and email teams who prioritize easy of use and a availability while running a basic email campaign. Then, talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Smartlead. Smartlead has an AI personalization for optimized emails at scale. Also has an unlimited email account for senders and inbox rotation to boost your deliverability. Then on the other side, revealing the weakness, learning curve for beginners can be really irritating, and it overkills for small business campaign, and the price scale with features needed. So talking about the strength and the weakness of Manyreach, revealing the strength, very intuitive. It comes with an intuitive UI which is easy for the fast and easy for first timer, and also focus on essential cold email features together with a quick setup and launch. Talking about the weakness of the Manyreach, no AI personalization or email rotation. It also has limited team collaboration features and relies on third-party tools for warm-up. And here's the viral conclusion. Choose Smartlead if you need to scale your cold outreach AI personalization with unlimited sender account and deliverability protection. Just go for Smartlead. On the other side, you can just pick Manyreach if you prefer a simple, affordable tools for basic outreach with no learning curve. So that's it.